It was a moment no one saw coming. The same man who once said, "Islam hates us," now stood before the leaders of the Muslim world. In Riyadh, cameras flashing, gold chandeliers glinting. The world waited for chaos. But what came next shocked everyone. This wasn't the Trump of campaign rallies. This was something different. A speech that tried to heal what he had once torn apart. In May 2017, President Donald Trump delivered a speech on Islam during his visit to Saudi Arabia, the heart of the Muslim world. Analysts expected another divisive outburst, but instead, Trump struck a surprisingly moderate tone. He spoke of partnership, peace, and unity against extremism, without using the phrase radical Islamic terrorism that had defined his campaign. For many, this was a turning point. A political move to reset his image after months of criticism and travel bans targeting Muslim countries. Experts from the Brookings Institution noted, this speech wasn't really about religion at all. It was politics, carefully crafted diplomacy. Trump was speaking not to Muslims as believers, but to Muslim leaders as partners in power. He avoided quoting scripture, avoided moral preaching, and focused instead on strategy, alliances, and shared threats. By doing so, he shifted from religious confrontation to political cooperation. It was less about understanding Islam, and more about rebuilding America's influence in the Middle East. Behind every word was a message for Washington to Trump wanted to show the world, and especially his critics, that he could be presidential, diplomatic, even reasonable. He praised Islam as one of the world's great faiths. He called for unity against terror, not war against a religion. But the irony was hard to ignore. Only months earlier, his policies had banned Muslims from entering the US. So, was this speech a real change of heart, or just smart politics? That question still divides experts today. As his words echoed through the Grand Hall in Riyadh, some leaders applauded, others listened with quiet suspicion. For a few moments, it seemed the anger of the past had been replaced by a cautious hope. Trump had done what few expected, delivered a calm, measured address on Islam. But beyond the chandeliers and applause, one truth remained. Words can heal, but only actions prove them true. In that moment, Trump didn't just speak to the Muslim world, he spoke to history itself. And the world is still deciding what it meant.